True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, today I am in Montego Bay at the Sangster International Airport. Yeah man, you know say after Melissa passes, also hit Jamaica. Yeah man, so I'm traveling from the St. Elizabeth area. So coming from St. Elizabeth side, please don't take it through the Newmarket area, through the hills. Yeah man, I'll drive on the main road from coming from Black River. You go Crawford, White House, come straight into Montego Bay. It's not too bad. So if you want to come visit Jamaica, go to St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, the road clear from Montego Bay, go straight into Black River. But please don't drive through the hills like in the Newmarket area. You know that road, don't drive through there because a lot of water is rising in the Newmarket area. So this is the November the 14th. I'm doing this video. So we can see what go on at Sangster International Airport, guys. Big up on our tram. Yeah, and I'm going to big up myself. This is the departure area. Things still are going the same way. People still are travel in and out. So you can indicate where you're watching from. If you're new to your channel, you can give a big likes and also share the video. As far as I come from, we are St. Elizabeth, and I tell you, say, can show you say you can do no travel right now for St. Elizabeth. Yeah man. I know a lot of people seen St. Elizabeth, you know, Westmoreland. You know, see them on camera, but trust me, you know, have a company ground to see how Jamaica mash up, man. The camera now show the real reflection of St. Elizabeth. You know, show it the way there. You have a company ground to see what go on at St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland. Yeah, man, have a company ground, you know. So I'm heading towards the arrival area. But coming through on the hip strip, I think there would be more damage, but compared to St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, where I visit, it's not an easy task right there. manners, you know? Yeah, man, we there see we are going, show them where I go and see them. People still a travel, man. So, if you don't want to reach St. Elizabeth, still can make a ride and come through, see me. Yeah, man, still can take a travel. Once you want to reach St. Elizabeth, you can travel from the Sangster International Airport.